So I got some video. The light's horrible. There we go. I have some video of some just paving today. I'm going to add that in the end of this. It's going to be real fast forward stuff. I rebuilt the Husqvarna 50 without doing any video of it. It does run. I'm really excited about that. And then I'm going to change camera angles and I'll show you what was wrong with it. So here is the old jug, or head, whatever you want to call it. I call them jug. I don't know if you can see in there. Well, let me turn on the light. There's no sunlight. Let's go back over here. Maybe we can get it better. You can't really see it that way. Anyways, you will be able to see the piston though. So here is the piston. This is the exhaust side. Come on, focus. Now, here's the intake side. There it goes. There's the intake side. As you can see, the ring is still loose on this side. On this side, the exhaust side, it is scorched and the ring is froze right into its slot. So that is why it had no compression whatsoever. But it is put back together. It runs really good. It does need a little bit of a carb adjustment. It runs and idles perfect. It revs up really good without any strain on the motor. Once you cut into the wood, it running lean. It's starving for a little bit of fuel. So I do have to adjust the carburetor. Put that in there so it doesn't get crushed. But anyways, here is some video of what went on at work today.
Till it wouldn't be long, the years with me, yeah, me, singing. I love rock and roll, spend a lot of time in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll, so take your time and dance with me. Ow! You're unbelievable.